This is hilarious.
So funny.
This thing goes 90 kilometers an hour, by the way.
Now we're going to go and explore Lefkada. Woo! Bug just flew into me face. Brings so much attention.
A bit embarrassing. Yeah, €7 for camping 24 hours.
Camper van's parked at the end, so
Sweet.
a nice one.
It is a nice one.
Found a sweet car park.
So
And
good.
we're off to explore Nidri.
Yes. Probably on an ATV.
Oh,
Might as well.
it's off season.
Probably got a solid 2 weeks of good weather left, so let's do it. Better than nothing.
It's better than no ATV.
Yeah.
It's better than nothing. Oh, it's warm today too.
It is. Could be 30 apparently. Right. I feel like a real tourist with all this.
I thought they were all on that side.
Yeah, I think that might be.
Jesus, honey.
So you want for 2 days?
Yes.
You return it tomorrow around 10 o'clock at night, okay?
Headrest.
Oh, yeah.
Fuel is full, you return it back full. Χιλιόμετρα. Πολύ σημαντικό. Λοιπόν, απλά δώστε μου μισό λεπτάκι να έρθει. Έχετε ξαναοδηγήσει, γνωρίζετε?
Δεν έχω.
Ωραία, δώστε μου τότε μισό λεπτάκι να έρθει λίγο συνάδελφος να σας εξηγήσει. Ένα λεπτάκι γιατί πλέον έχει το γλίτσα.
Ναι, ευχαριστώ.
It's pretty sweet.
Can't wait.
Charlie would
It's
love
gonna
it.
be fun. Gonna be fun. Oh well. No problem. Ευχαριστώ. No problem.
Απλά εδώ το σημαντικό είναι, το έχει δει, πρέπει. Το σημαντικό.
Nice.
Καλημέρα.
Δεν είναι φου.
Ωραία, ευχαριστώ.
Σωρέα. Shit.
Ευχαριστώ.
Shit, it's weird.
Yeah, it's weird.
Alright, we are on. It feels weird being so open.
It does.
Like, it just feels like a go-kart. Off we go. Just take your time. It's very loud. Wow.
It'll take a couple of days to get used to this.
We have the mic. This is actually better than the ATV. It's like a little buggy.
Yeah.
There's our car in there.
Oh yeah, sweet.
Deep car. So now we're getting closer to the town. Bug just flew into me face.
Fun driving through the city.
Yeah, we don't really get to because we just walk. Okay, welcome to Lefkada. But there's no space for it.
Yeah, I know.
Like you can't
No, you
squeeze
can't.
through.
You
It's
can't.
pretty much a vehicle.
Yeah. I'll probably drive straight through, I mean.
Yeah, you can. So Karma is up there and it's super packed. What a nice spot. Look how they park look how they park the boats.
Wow.
Beautiful little port.
Get warm now.
Yeah, we're in Lefkada. Little fishery. They do, they got
Coffee
Gabriel.
Island.
Yeah, Coffee Island is, this is where we usually park, where the Apple Street is. Trying to find a car park.
Oh, look at the hairdo, honey. That just...
I know, I had to. What'd you get us? My Uber driver stopped for and delivered me a coffee.
Hey.
Thanks, Uber driver. How much do I owe you? For free?
For free.
Ah, our seatbelt's on and we're off to car yard. Car yard.
No, we don't have to go to car yard.
No, we're not off to car yard. Everywhere. Traditional Greek pie.
There's a turtle.
No, there's a turtle on the road. Oh my gosh. What?
No way.
Oh.
Oh. Oh, poor little thing.
Oh my gosh. Does that have indicators? Oh yeah.
Νομίζω είναι περίπου 15.000. Κάτι έτσι. Γεια σου.
What do you say? How much?
Yeah.
Everyone's friendly.
I guess you can put that like bats in the other bag.
Cool stuff.
Yeah. Yeah. Very strange.
So if you need to go get some random stuff like what we got, come to Jumbo's. It's a Jumbo store.
Come back down again later.
Beautiful day.
Smell of cokes or anything?
Yeah, if you want.
You hungry? Not even cooler.
It's freezing up here. Wow. Welcome to Karia. E-bikes.
Oh, it's quite nice, isn't it?
There's a lot of